amakuru aharigana Katonyiziwe Radio West manyabupfumi hangariyawe.
Nationwide, corporate partners are stepping up to bridge gaps in Uganda's most vulnerable schools. Today, the National Social Security Fund NSSF Mbarara stepped into Tukore Invalids Primary School, bringing much-needed relief to children with disabilities. The team from National Social Security Fund Mbarara donated furniture and scholastic materials to Tukore Invalids Primary School.
Headmaster team.
The fund's area manager, Mr. Rutaro Julian, described it as part of the fund's efforts to give back to the community.
So, nk'ekitongole tuyine kibaleta corporate social responsibility okugaruriza abantu omuramu nabo mu community. So buli mwaka omukwikumi turaza mu society to identifying eyo ekitongole tumanye needs zabo tugane na management etugambire needs z'aba members, then tugaruke twetera omutima turebe kiturabasa. So twajyana no bushobozi bwitu ngo kuturabasa twaronda some items eziturabahe nkentebe mwazirebireho za staff members kugira ngo barabashomesa atayemera munonga abako yakora psinga then takabahereza kugira nawe yaruharuhamu nawe akora ki asitame indi ni day twarebera muretaga tukashanga mwine challenge ya mizigo kunywa muretaga water tank Desembe takayikira hagati eyo tanka turaza kwa twagiresiri.
The regional manager, Mr. Ramatunji David, thanked the school's founders, board, and management for working in tough conditions to care for these children. He highlighted NSSF's commitment to improving lives. A better life, as their slogan says.
Nsima bashomesa na headmaster abakorumu kugangarwa kwinji no kugumirwa muteshanya bana mukaba bazaire babo ubatari mu makagabo mukaba ni mu abazaire baba nirhanga bahiriza umugisha. NSSF ntwebembeza ekigambo ekiri kugira ngo better life no muntu ogohurire orukuraraje orukuraguzaje orukuryaje kandi ohurire mbwena ha muganda go kucwa amagara ganyu amarungi better life amagara marungi ahabwe hurrejo eyamagara marungi icyo kikutureta neitwe ntweyakaho cye ahabusente bwito butubikire nk'abakozi bihanga tugira ngo tuhereze community n'abantu abatukoreramo.
The headmaster, Mr. Arenito Kenneth, expressed gratitude for the corporate social responsibility gesture.
Na sanitary pads zabish ntubasima abo kutekatekaho bakamenya ngo tukore turiyo bakisha kutureba baturaganisagana baza kutuhereza na tank yamizo go kunywa bagira ngo baza kugitwa umukwikumire kutakahuye mwe ntubasima team yona yarugumene NSSF nayibiha bahanga bongere bebero kutekatekaho,
and outlined the challenges: broken wheelchairs, poor walkways, very young disabled children, borrowing classroom space, staff shortages, lack of staff residence, and no school fence.
Abana abo bamuti bari kubasa kwetambuza bonka nibane babasene ko mu Bugari nabundi bukira kutweka abana bamwe bakiri bato tubarukira baba bazumu klasi omwe ni beshishiramu nico baturetereza diapers ezo na za pampers kandi batwereza n'ibitabo byo kushomesa zambabe jabo konka ebizibu byo tujine byinji nk'abatukore abo bana classes ziri kushomeramo tizitu batutiza mbwe tukabira twene class n'amajoga bashomesa na gutugine na staff rero kushomesa abana na yitwe tuticire turi bace kandi nabaca bariho bamwe bari kumanya tubashomera special needs.
While donations like these provide immediate relief, systemic issues remain. The headmaster's plea to the government is to increase qualified teaching staff and address infrastructure gaps.
Ishomero ririmo abana abin learning disabilities amwe n'abahuriye. Totoro yona hatuye n'abana 210 abana 210 abo n'abashomesa nana ba government nanjye bariremo we kandi tushaka government tugera abashomesa abandi rero tubone gushomesa abana.
This story isn't just about furniture, a water tank, or a wheelchair. It is a reminder that partnership and accountability can change lives. Andrew Tushabe for Radio West Digital.
Amakuru ahariga na Katonyi Ziwe Radio West. Manyabukfu mu ihanga ryawe.